lovelies, and welcome back to Wardrobe Wednesday for episode 6. And like I said last week, today we are going to be transitioning into summer. So I'm going to take you through me taking the winter clothes out of my wardrobe and pulling out my summer clothes and putting them away. And I'm going to obviously cover a little bit about what to put away, when, and how to store it. So now we're going to start taking out the autumn winter things from our wardrobe. We're going to put them on the rail. I'm going to talk you through the items that you want to be taking out and transitioning. So obviously things like knitwear, roll necks, going to be a little bit too hot, a little bit too warm. The material, the item, so roll neck and knit is something we're going to take off first. I'm going to pop it on the reel. This is a bit more of a crochet knit, so it's something that you could like lightly layer with, so I'm going to leave that in there. Then I'm going to add my summer stuff next. I'm leaving the t-shirts, the shirts, blouses, vests. Some of these you can wear all year round. It just depends if you wear it with a light jacket or a heavier jacket or a woolly scarf. Trousers and skirts stay the same unless it's something like a denim skirt or obviously a green maxi skirt, which I'm going to show you from my reel. Otherwise it's again just how you wear them. So next thing is scarves. Obviously woolly scarves are very much a wintry autumn accessory. I have 4 here. So we're going to take these out. I have my plain and my pops and my prints. I'm going to put these on the rail. And blazers staying all year round. It's just a matter of, do you wear it with a t-shirt, do you wear it with knitwear? You can dress them up and down all year round. And woolly Reese coat is coming out. And something like ankle boots I'm going to leave in there because on cloudy days in England in the summer you could still wear them. Knee boots I would definitely put away. And something like a fur scarf, a fur accessory. So I'm going to put these on the reel as well. With the winter stuff, I just realised in my everyday handbag, something that is still in here is these. So that's obviously an accessory that we'll pack away. Little fluffy headband. Woolly hat, obviously something we're not going to wear. My lovely colourful leather gloves, again they are my accessories in autumn winter, not going to need them in the summer. Bags stay the same, and what we're going to do is we're going to put the woolly items away in here. Then these are also some of the places that I pulled out my summer accessories, summer accents. You can obviously put things away in your drawers as well. So I am going to use these to put away my autumn winter accessories, and away neatly, and put my bags back. So we only want to see in our wardrobe what we're going to wear. So we do only want clothes for the current season that you're going to be wearing. There are clothes obviously that you can wear all year round. It's just a matter of whether you wear it with summer shoes or winter shoes or a woolly scarf or a thin jacket. These are all the things I'm going to be packing away. And it's things like knitwear, woolly scarves, winter coat, boots, gloves, hats. These are all going to be folded and put away in the drawer in my wardrobe that I did have my summer stuff in. In terms of storing it, you could vacuum pack it, you could put it in a basket, it could go under your bed, in a drawer. It's entirely up to you. Another thing that I do always put away straight after Christmas, I don't even leave it out for the rest of winter, is obviously Christmas jumpers. So there's something I would pack away in January. On the bottom I've got my nice tracksuit bottoms and jeans. The only thing I would pull out for summer would maybe be like white jeans. I don't really wear them in the winter, but what I have here I would wear all year round. It depends how I wear them. Dresses, none of mine are coming out, but if you did have something like a little white cotton summer dress, and obviously that's something you put away in the winter. If you had something like a really obviously Christmas party dress, let's say you had like a gold glittery dress or a red velvet dress, they are things that I would put away that you maybe just pull out in the winter as well. So I've emptied my summer drawer, which I showed you last week and earlier, and I've put it all on the reel. So things from my wardrobe, things tucked away, things in the summer drawer. So on here, things we pull out are things like a light scarf. So it's not a woolly scarf, it's a light material scarf that you can accessorise with. I have an emerald green maxi skirt, so this is obviously something you would only wear like spring, mainly summer. A sleeveless shirt. You could layer this in autumn and the spring, but it's very much like a summer style shirt, which I dress up and down. Things like thin t-shirts, vests, thin vests. I've got black and white here. A little thin like knit cardigan cover up. Main things is my little cropped green jacket. Everything's a little bit creased, by the way, because I have just literally pulled it out the drawer. And then my linen trench coat, I love this. Such a little steal from Matalan. My mother-in-law bought it for me for like £16 or something. So yeah, this is a linen trench coat. Linen is obviously very much a summer material. Little things like my bikini I've pulled out. This yellow pop bag I normally only really wear spring, summer. My hat. And on the floor here I have wedges. Obviously wedges only look more appropriate in the spring summertime, so I've got a black and a nude pair. And I have one slider. So I went to pull all my summer things out. I have no idea where the other one has gone, so I'm going to have to buy another pair. But this is my slider. Again, a great shoe, an alternative in the spring and the summer. And then obviously sunglasses. All year round should be out, but they're on my head today for spring and summer. So these are things that I pulled out that I would only wear in the summer to transition into my wardrobe. There are things in there that are there all year round, and it's just a matter of how you dress it. Do you put boots with it? Do you put wedges with it? So obvious things to pull out for summer, a little bit as I showed you before. Things like shorts, denim skirts, linens, thin vest tops, wedges, straw accessories or straw bags, straw shoes, sliders, summery hats. There are some colours that look a little bit more summery, but when you have a style code colour capsule like me, like black, white, green, red and blue I use, and black and white monochrome accessories and leopard print, doesn't really change for me. It stays that all year round, and I just use those colours in different items. So from something like an emerald green roll neck knit to then an emerald green linen trench. So you don't necessarily have to change your colours per season or to match the season or the trends that are in that season. But there are some colours from your palette that you can pull out that look a little more summery, like me adding the yellow one for instance. One thing to be sure to do when you do pull out your summer stuff, when you're putting away your winter stuff, is just double check it for a detox. Like for instance, I know I've lost one of these and I need a new pair, but they look pretty worn anyway. I clearly wore them a lot last summer. I need a new pair. When you're putting your winter clothes away, like one of my knitwear had a hole in, it looked a little bobbly, one of them. So just double check things before you put them away or before you put them back in your wardrobes, and always like re-detoxing and re-evaluating. So I've got rid of all the winter stuff, winter coats, knitwear. You can only see t-shirts, shirts, camisoles, vests. I've got a maxi skirt in with my skirts, wedges in with the shoes, and my trench coat, thin short jackets, blazers, and my usual trainers, jeans and dresses. And I have my yellow bag out and all my woolly accessories away, sunglasses out obviously, and we're all ready for spring, summer.